And when you carry the Holy Spirit, you are no longer afraid of suffering. I said it. You're not chasing pain, but you're not running from it either, because you know that suffering produces something precious: perseverance, character, and hope. The Holy Spirit gives you the strength to endure trials with dignity. He gives you a backbone of faith. You stop asking, why me? And you start saying, use me. Jesus said, when the fire hits your life, you don't fall apart, you rise. Because the same Spirit that raised Jesus from the dead lives in you. That means death has no sting. That means trials don't define you, they refine you. And even in your tears, you still trust. Even in your weakness, you still worship. That's when the world sees the power of the Holy Spirit in full display. Not when life is easy, but when your praise survives the furnace.